Get over 47 grams of protein without any protein powder and 5 times less muscle soreness after your workout. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free. This protein smoothie can do it all. It tastes like a delicious cherry milkshake, but is loaded with all the good stuff. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of navy beans. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a powerful blender. Along with 2 cups of cherries for a quick recovery after your exercise. 3 soft dates. 2 bananas. And 2 cups of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until it's super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy protein smoothie. Thanks for watching.